Hi guys, so right now I am going to do a little quick tutorial on how to upload or go live on YouTube. So here is YouTube, and right now on the screen I have the Scottish crafter. Hi Sam, and Diane. Hi Diane. So here is my channel right there, and here's the little camera to upload videos. I'm going to click on that camera. There we go. I have the option right here. It says go live or record. I want to go live. I'm going to go live. Right now you can see me. I'm going to turn the camera to point forward. There's a little arrow here, a little folder with the two little arrows. I'm going to click on that. Now my camera is shooting this way. See my fingers? I'm going to create a title. So I'm going to name this tutorial live video tutorial. Oopsie, I can't spell. I got the camera right in front of me. Sorry. Okay. So it's public. I'm going to click done here. Okay. And you can click more options if you want to put your website, but I don't want to do nothing. So I'm going to click next. Now it's going to give me the option for a thumbnail. I'm just going to leave it right there. It's going to take it. Boop. It just took a picture. See? It says love video tutorial. So I'm going to edit. Okay. Edit settings. It's going to give me the option to correct that. Live. Okay. Going to click done again. Next. It's taking the thumbnail. Okay, now it's gonna say go live. I'm gonna go live. So I'm live. Hi guys, I'm just uploading a little tutorial to show how to upload a live video using YouTube Live. So this is really nothing. Once this uploads, I'm going to delete it because it's really nothing. So I'm going to stop this, and see, there's an X here. There's an X on my screen. I'm going to click that X. Are you sure you want to stop streaming? Okay. And that is it. It tells me 42 seconds duration, and I'm gonna click done. There we go. And now it's going to process as a video. So I hope that helps. And yeah, it's very simple. So I hope that helps, and thank you so much for watching. All right, bye.